Hello, Kindred Spirits. Welcome everyone to Serenity, Peace, and Comfort. I am off on this beautiful October day to a wonderful ladies' tea. Join me. For this tea today, the ladies asked all of us to bring our favorite teacups. So mine, of course, is my Spode Woodland. Just beautiful and just so perfect for an October tea.
Trying to wake up from a dream is harder than it seems. Birds are flying all around, some fall and hit the ground. This is where I should belong, inside a simple song. Running careless down the line, beyond the brink of time. I will love you till I die, on shaky grounds. You could never understand. The way I am is not what it seems. Tangled up in dreams. I'm tired in oh so many ways. Been gone for 7 days. I don't know why I can't explain. My heart delivers pain, and I got nothing more to say. I'm just bored in every way. I don't know where I wanna go, but I swear to let you know. I will love you till I die, on shaky grounds. You could never understand. The way I am is not what it seems. Tangled up in dreams. I will love you till I die, on shaky grounds. You could never understand. The way I am is not what it seems. Tangled up in dreams.
Cheers. That's so good.
I know that you are having a hard time right now. That everything seems to crumble around you. I know that you feel all alone in this world, but you have to put your trust into us, and we will help you through, 'cause we only want what's best for you.